All right, Jerry, you want to help her out with that?
How'd that feel?
Man, break. Dude, I was moving. Dude, you were cruising. On full of yours. You made it this time.
All right. Okay, Phil says first. Phil says first. Meantime, let's go.
So how was it? Did you like it?
Yeah, it's kind of, you know, it's alright. It definitely is an experience like that. Yeah, you know, it's like, I don't know. I thought it was going to be, yeah, it was a lot better.
Alright, bring your guy in. I got this.
Other way? Yeah,
Not
there
bad.
you go. Good.
I was frightened. Yes. Because we were so high up in the air.
Okay. So that's going to happen a lot, right? You're going to have participants that aren't going to step up right away, and you're going to have to communicate to them clearly, concisely, and Tasha too. You want to be treating you guys like participants, all right? Say, plant your feet as soon as you can.
I did.
Stand up. Okay, good.
She asked me how my ride was.
Good. And then you're going to ask them at this point, once you got them unclipped, you're going to step up to the inside, right? Grab your trolley, head on down. Yeah. Got a little bit of...
really does.
Well, the first time you did it,
Yeah. They adjusted it 2 times before I even did that. I'm gonna do it this one.
they tighten that loose again. What's that loose?